What's up everybody, my name is Mahmoud. I'm a sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax. Today I will be showing you this beautiful compact SUV. What we have here is a 2021 Hyundai Kona Trend. Now this vehicle features a very cool youthful styling. The combination of the Paul's red color, the cascading grille, the LEDs and the 18-inch alloy wheels gives it a very confident progressive appearance. As you can see, the both front and rear are emphasized by the car's wide stance and its aggressive body styling. The Kona Trend is an all-wheel drive compact SUV. It is equipped with a 1.6-liter intercooled turbocharged inline-4 engine. It produces 175 horsepower. It's also compared with a 7-speed automatic transmission. The combined fuel consumption is 8.6 liter per 100 kilometer. The Kona features a keyless entry system, very spacious and comfy interior. The seats are elevated to make it easy to get in and out the vehicle. Push start button. We have great overall visibility. Information monitor, steering wheel control, leather wrapped steering wheel, touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. We have guided backup camera. We have the AC controls. We have USB, auxiliary, and charging outlets. 3 different drive modes, standard, eco, and sport. Heated steering wheel, heated front passenger seats, downhill brake assist, 4x4 lock button for challenging driving conditions. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. If you have any questions, reach out to us at Steele Hyundai Halifax, Kempt Road, 902-454-1000.